The Finnish enterprise Nورمینن Logistics had already recognized Belt and Road Initiative as a significant opportunity for collaboration back in 2015 when it decided to participate in the initiative. That's according to Olli Perjamata, the company's chief executive officer.
In 2014, we started the preparation work to start with the railway as a railway operator on this route. 2015, we made an agreement with the Kazakhstan National Railways, KTZ, to cooperate with them on this route. And as we have been working on rails more than 25 years, we understood what possibilities this initiative will bring to our company, to our clients.
Perjamata said that Nورمینen's ambitious goal was to become the leading container train operator between China and Scandinavia, which it achieved in 2021 with its Chinese partners.
Our goals were to be the biggest operator between China and Scandinavia on this route, and I think we succeeded on this. And the very good mark was that 21 in our calculations, we were transporting around or more than 20% of the value of the Finnish-Chinese trade.
The CEO said that Nورمینن currently serves over 1,000 direct customers in 10 European countries, operating 10 to 15 full trains every month. The company has established an office in China's Shanghai.
So we have carried more than 10,000 containers here, and we have had in some months almost 20 trains a month going on this route. We have got a lot of new clients from Scandinavia, from China. We have made it possible for many of our clients to increase their own trade because of the fast service, because of the low emissions. So we have really brought value up to our clients in Europe, in China.
He said that, thanks to the initiative, not only has the railway infrastructure along the route been greatly improved, but a road of solidarity and cooperation has also emerged.
We can see that Kazakhstan has especially invested a lot. You can see they have invested billions of dollars, and now the infrastructure in Chinese-Kazakhstan border is really good. It's electrified, so CO2 emissions are very low on this route. And secondly, we can see it's also an investment in a way that the authorities are working together in different countries. So, for example, customs formalities are really easy now. So it shows that the multinational cooperation is really possible. Trade is one way of building trust and communications between the people, between the companies and structures, organizations. So all this kind of initiatives are really needed when they are beneficial for each party who is participating.